Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to the Dow Academy Online Learning. We look forward to seeing you all back in class. But for now, stay home, stay safe. And remember to always wash your hands with soap for at least 20 seconds. Let's begin.
Good day, Form 4s. I would like to welcome you to our biology lesson on gaseous exchange. We are going to look at describing the pathway of air to the lungs. Air enters the body through either the nose and the mouth. The nose and the mouth are separated by the palate, so that even one is eating, one can breathe through the nose. And it is better, or it is advisable, to breathe through the nose, because the structure of the nose, it allows the air to be warmed, to be moistened, filtered before it gets to the lungs. The hairs, they help to trap the dust, any form of contamination which is in the air that we breathe in. Remember, the air that is around us is highly contaminated with dust particles, with any form of contamination. So the hairs in the nose, they help to trap those particles. And then we have what we call also the goblet cells. These, they help to secrete the mucus and some water, which when it evaporates into the air in the nose, it helps to moisten the air, to make the air to be moistened. And normally air, like in particular we are talking about oxygen, it is easy for it to diffuse through the alveoli wall, that is the gaseous exchange surface, when it is moist, right? And then we have also a tiny projection called the cilia. The cilia, they are always moving to and fro, so that the dust or the bacteria that has been trapped, it can be removed. The cilia also, it is found in the trachea, in the bronchi, in the all the other part of the gas exchange system. So it helps further to remove the dust. And then again, we want to talk about the trachea, which is the ring of cartilage, which is a pathway of the air when you breathe it in. First, it passes through the larynx, then it goes to the trachea. The trachea, it is made up of a ring of cartilage to prevent it from collapsing due to the pressure from outside. And it is always open 24 hours. And this trachea, when we are eating, there is what we call the epiglottis. It goes and closes the trachea so that the food does not enter the trachea. It enters the esophagus, which it forms the digestive system. Right. And then after the trachea, we have what we call the bronchi. The trachea, it branches into two, which is the left bronchus and the right bronchus. These, they enter into the lungs. And also, they have got some small rings of cartilage to keep them open. And then these bronchus, they further branch to form what we call the bronchioles. They are tiny branches further from the left and the right bronchus. There are tiny branches called the bronchioles, and these bronchioles, they further divide to form the alveoli. Alveoli, this is where gaseous exchange takes place. In other words, we call them tiny sacs, and they are highly folded to form a large surface area of gaseous exchange, that is oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen diffuses into the blood, and carbon dioxide, it diffuses from the blood into the alveoli. This is the pathway. I repeat, first from the nose via the it enters the trachea. From the trachea, the bronchi. From the bronchi, the bronchioles. The bronchioles, the alveoli. Thank you for our lesson.